Have you ever wondered how workers safely build tall structures, reach high walls, or repair rooftops? Today, we're diving into a crucial construction concept: scaffolding. Today, let's understand what scaffolding is, why it's important, and the different types used in construction. In simple terms, scaffolding is a temporary structure built during construction, renovation, or repair work. Its main job is to support workers, tools, and materials safely while work happens at heights. Scaffolds are usually made from timber or strong metal tubes like steel or aluminium, combined with sturdy platforms where workers stand and move. Scaffolding plays a crucial role in construction safety, as it provides safe access to heights, supports workers and materials, reduces the risk of falls, and improves efficiency and productivity. When properly installed, scaffolding significantly reduces accidents on site. Now let's look at the main types of scaffolding used in construction. Single scaffolding is mainly used for brick masonry work. It consists of one row of vertical standards placed parallel to the wall at a short distance. Horizontal members called ledgers connect the standards, and putlogs are inserted into holes in the wall to support the working platform. Double scaffolding is commonly used in stone masonry, where it is difficult to make holes in the wall for support. It consists of two rows of vertical standards. The first row is placed near the wall and the second row is placed further away. This double-frame structure provides extra strength, stability, and load-carrying capacity compared to single scaffolding. In cantilever scaffolding, the working platform is supported by horizontal members called needles that project out from the building. It is used when the ground near the wall cannot support standards, such as busy streets or weak soil conditions. Suspended scaffolding consists of a platform suspended from the roof using ropes, chains, or wire cables used for painting, facade cleaning, glass installation, and repair work in high-rise buildings. The height of the platform can be adjusted, allowing workers to move up and down easily. Trestle scaffolding is a lightweight and portable type of scaffold mainly used for indoor construction and maintenance work. In this system, the working platform is supported on movable ladders or tripod stands called trestles. Choosing the right types of scaffolding ensures safety and effectiveness during construction projects. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more construction basics.